Hello students, how are you? Hope all are doing well at home. So in this video I am going to start basics of computer system chapter 1 for class 9. In this chapter we will learn the definition and the various features of computer and discuss about the need of computer education. We shall see how computers have evolved, and we will also read about the major developments in technology that have led to the device that we use today. So how this device has reached this position. Okay, so earlier the devices were big, the device size was big, and it was very costly. So now it is affordable. Okay, now it is used for different purpose. So how it reached at this position, so we will come to know about this. We will see how computers are used in different areas of our day-to-day life. So these things computers are used these days. We will read about some input-output devices. So as the content I already told you what are the things we are going to discuss, so these things are given here. Okay, and then one diagram is given here that what does a computer do. Okay, so what are the things computer have? So these are the things a computer consists of. Next, introduction. So computer is the most versatile electronic machine man has ever created. So it is a versatile means it can do different tasks. You can play game, you can watch movies, you can do your work, you can do typing, you can do all kinds of works in this machine. So it is a very versatile electronic machine man has ever created. Computers have made a great impact on our everyday life. Computers are transforming the way we communicate, learn and work. Okay, so it has transformed the way we are working, the way we think, the way we do our communication. So it is very essential for every person today to have a basic knowledge of computer system. So as it is giving has made a great impact on our life, day-to-day life, so we should know at least the basic things about computer. This chapter includes the basic knowledge of the computer system. So in this chapter we will come to know about the basic things or basic knowledge about the computer system. Need of computer education in today's world. So in this section we will come to know about the need of computer education. So why computer education is important in today's world. By computer education we means learning basic knowledge about computer as well as acquiring skills to operate computer efficiently to perform computer education. Now when we say computer education, it means that learning basic knowledge about computer as well as acquiring skills to operate computer efficiently to perform better jobs. So you can perform different tasks, as you know, in a computer system. So to perform those tasks, at least you should have the basic knowledge about computer. So that is the meaning of computer education. A few decades ago, computer was most relegated to a handful of professionals. So only professionals were. Today, computers are in almost every field. So today if you go to a bank, if you go for ticket booking in the railway station, you go in the school, you go in college, so everywhere you can find the use of computer. So computers are widely used in educational institutions, government offices, business, bank, hospital, railway stations, airport, entertainment, defense, transport, and you can go on naming. So it is used in every field. Okay, so and for searching the internet for information and in many other fields. So you can just imagine that we are all surrounded with the use of computers, and in this situation or in this condition, if we don't know, or if anybody don't know the use of computer, so it will be a very difficult for him to find information or to do any kind of work. Therefore, computer education is included in the school education system. Okay, so with the advancement of the technology, so now as you know the technology is advancing, so with the advancement of the technology, wide use of computers, the demand of computers is increasing every day. So wide use of computers, now computers are used widely, and therefore the demand of computer literates. Okay, so those who know computers, those kind of people are required. Okay, nowadays it is required. Computer literacy is the need of the day today. So it is the need, means if you go in any field, any job, you need to know about computers. You have to have the knowledge about computers. So computer education is becoming an inseparable part of education. So therefore the computer education is becoming more and more important these days, inseparable part of education. So it cannot be separated. Now there are many clear advantages of computer literate. So if you are a computer literate, if you are learning computer, that means there are many advantages for you. Now computer education enhance creativity and thinking skill of a student. Computer education provide efficient and better. You are learning computer means you will be getting an efficient and better use of technology. You can use the technology in positive, or you can use it better. Most of the technology depend on the computer system. So whatever technologies are there in today's world, if you go in medical science, if you go in any field, you will find these technologies are depend on computer system. So computer education help to use technology efficiently. Computer education provide more job opportunities. So if you are computer educated, you will have more job opportunities. So it is computer education proves beneficial for better communication. So if you communicate, if you want to do communication, and if you know computer system, you can communicate easily by the use of like video calling or maybe SMS. So it is very cheaper and very fast. Next, computer education improves research skill and help in communicating with different institutions. Okay, so computer education improves research skill. So research means, so when you want to do some research, like now when you want to know about something, you can use the computer and you can do research about educational institution. You can do research about any kind of information which you want. So if you have the computer knowledge. Computer education help in creating better education environment. So by the use of computer, a better education environment can be created. To use the facility of a smart classroom, computer education is necessary. So if a school wants to use smart classroom, computer education is necessary for those teachers. Computer education connect people to the online world. Online world means online, like for talking or for video calling or so, those kind of. As the time is passing, technology is evolving. So to cope up with advancement of the technology, it has become important for all of us to gain computer knowledge. So as you know, the technology is evolving. Okay, the technology is going on improving. So to cope up with the advancement of technology, it has become important so that we can gain computer education. Computer education increase efficiency in person and help us being prepared for the digital future. Okay, so computer education is preparing us for the digital future. As you know that the future is going to be digital. If we are educated, if we have the knowledge about computers, then we can cope up with the digital future. Thank you so much for listening. So in this video In this video I end up with this. Thank you so much for listening. Have a wonderful day.